After the green alien I did last Monday, here I am again with a new alien makeup. This time it is this yellow makeup. So if you want to know how I have created it, please keep watching because I will show you step by step in the coming video. And if you don't want to miss any of the videos we're going to upload here to this YouTube channel until Halloween, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we have a new video for you every day. As I told you in last Monday's video, I have loads of fun creating aliens, so I'm really psyched for today's video because today, of course, I'm gonna make an alien again. So to create this one, I'm gonna apply a bald cap. I will do this off camera because it takes a while to properly apply a bald cap and blend away the edges. But if you want to know how I do this, I have a separate video on applying bald caps and I will link it in the description box down below so you can see how I apply bald caps if you are interested. There is the bald cap. I also quickly covered my eyebrows using Prosthetic. It is just putting on some thin layers of Prosthetic and let them dry until your eyebrows have completely been covered with the Prosthetic. Do note that you need a proper remover to get that out of your eyebrows again. If you don't have that and you have some wax, you can also cover your eyebrows using a wax. I have a separate video. I will link to that one in the description box down below as well if you want to see that. To continue, I want to change some of the features of my face to become my alien for today, and I decided on using a Woochie prosthetic for this again. These are foam latex ears, so these are the ears and they are called the gremlin ears, so they will just go over my own ears to give myself some really weird ears. I'm gonna apply these using Prosthetic. Foam latex really loves to stick to Prosthetic, so you have kind of one go to get it right, and if you want to remove it again, there is a chance that you will tear up the prosthetic. So if you are doing this on your own skin, just take your time, and if you can get some assistance to put a foam prosthetic on, that is something I would recommend. I don't have any assistance here, so I'm just gonna do it by myself. And I hope that I won't block a view at all. To continue changing my face, I have some sculpt gel. So here are the 3 parts of the gel which you just mix and then can apply to your skin. I am going to use it to get over my eyebrows to make that bone a bit higher. So not to become a zombie, but just to change it up a bit more than with only the ears. And using a bit of alcohol on my spatula, I can blend it out. So as I'm working above my eyes, I do need to be careful that I don't get any alcohol in my eyes, because once again, that is not very much fun to get alcohol in your eyes. As I have made quite a few aliens on my YouTube channel before, it was kind of difficult to find a color that I haven't used before, and for as far as I can tell, but I could be wrong, I have never made a yellow alien. So that is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use the airbrush for the base color, and it is this yellow one. The same Pro Air Hybrid has a darker yellow. This is Yok Yellow, and I'm gonna put some shadows in the makeup with this one. I'm gonna keep it simple and subtle, so it isn't gonna be very hard shadows, but I do want there to be a few. There is also a lighter color of yellow. It is called banana yellow, and it is one of the newest colors by Pro Air. They made a unicorn set, and the banana yellow is one of the colors that is in the set. That were the 3 yellow colors by Pro Air Hybrid. I am continuing to this highlight and contour powder palette by Meron. There are just subtle brown tones in there which I can use to color my eyes just a bit. So it just started raining here, and I have a flat roof, so it is very loud. I hope it isn't too much of a disturbance in the video. I'm gonna continue to a bit of mascara just to give some color back to my eyes. I am absolutely enjoying this makeup. I love the yellow color with the banana yellow highlights and the shadows with the yolk yellow, but I know that on a YouTube video it is probably all very flat, and that is why I'm gonna add some brown to the makeup just to give it a bit more contrast. And I'm gonna use this stencil by Badass to put some patterns on the skin just to make it a bit more prominent than the makeup is at this point. And then, kind of unintentionally, I turned myself into a yellow gremlin, but I guess that is a kind of an alien as well. So I need some contact lenses to finish off this look, and I think I will use some red ones today. These are the Dark Lord color contact lenses, and with that my alien makeup today. My second alien makeup of this week is done. Well, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all the videos we will upload to this YouTube channel. We have a new video every day until October, and tomorrow I will be back with a new alien makeup. Bye!